Hi, it's time for another little teeny tiny fabric haul video. I didn't want to make one like these, but I went to Stoffenspektakel last weekend, which is a big festival. No, it's not really a festival, an event that travels around the Netherlands, and it's like basically a big hall full of fabric stalls, and I really love it. And you can buy several things. You can buy like very expensive fabric that they use for Chanel or anything, or just the cheap ones that I use, and of course florals, as you can see. I really wanted to make a bit more of a video about it, but I went with friends and so I forgot filming, and the things I did film were very quick and short and don't think you'll see anything. So I'm just gonna make a teeny tiny video about the things I've bought, and again maybe ask for some advice. As you can see, I'm already wearing something that I have made from my previous haul video. I'm also not wearing my glasses because the flare is too big from the sun, because it's a really beautiful sunny day today, and honestly I'm feeling a little too warm in this jacket, but you know, whatever. And also there's construction going on, so please, I'm just going to throw straight through all the noise. So yeah, I mean, I have to sew and I have to use one of these fabrics, so I just have to finish this video. So just a short one. As you can imagine, maybe you can remember the last, no not the last, like beginning of this year I made a video of my 2023 makes, my 9 makes. One of those things was something that I will talk about later. Actually 2 projects I'm gonna make from these fabrics are from that. So without further ado, let me just start with the one that isn't included in one of those projects, which is a cute brick red floral fabric. Of course, floral as always. It's a cotton. Everything's already washed except for the wool. But this one is really stiff, and I feel like I could soften it up for a bit, because I just want to make like a little top of it. And right now it feels more like a canvas instead of a soft cotton. I usually try to buy more like a viscose, but I just fell in love with this one stole that has all the cute coupons with, I mean, this one came from that as well. It's always impossible to pick for me because they have so many cute floral coupons. So I went with this one in the end. Not sure what to make of it yet. I'm thinking something like a normal blouse kind of thing. Anyway, just a top. Anyway, how could I make this a little more smooth? A little bit more soft, less stiff, because I've already washed it, but it feels worse now. And I feel like it could use maybe some detergent or anything, like maybe soaking it in, or like vinegar. Would that help? Do you have any idea? Please let me know. Okay, and the next one is this yellow canvas that I'm going to use for a vest, and I'm going to use it with this teddy. I know it looks a little mismatch, but I do think it could look very cute. My plan is to make it a lining, but make it reversible, and I would like it to make it with a little teddy as a as a bias binding, but not really, well, more like this, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, I am in the progress of making a video about that, because I had done something else. Ooh. I made a different lining, but I made a miscalculation, so I had to buy a new one, and now I'm gonna use this. And I am still, again, I brought some teddy with me to the event, and I'm not sure, but I think it could look really cute, and I think it has a bit more of like a boho vibe. I had also wanted to go with something a little thinner, like maybe like this, but no, I think I'm gonna use this. So you'll see that one in the next video. And then we have the last project, which is one of my 9 makes, which is a long woolen coat. And I have found this is gonna be the lining. I mean, I didn't want to go for a typical like satin shiny lining. I think it would have been a bit boring. So I got this wool, which is very heavy. It's very beautiful and soft, and a beautiful dark green. And I'm gonna make a really long, like really long overcoat. No, just like a really long coat. And I'm gonna line it with this, which is more of a it is more like a poplin cotton, but it's like a cotton blend. Beautiful flowers. I think that will match beautifully. I think this will look so nice, and it's gonna be a big project. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna try this on anytime soon. Oh, okay. Anyway, this is quite an investment. I mean, the fabrics alone are like 65 euros. So it's a bit, I'm not really in a rush to start. But I do think it could be very, very nice. So yeah, in short, that's my little fabric haul. I had wanted to implement this into another video, but I think that would be too messy. So I'm just gonna make this into a little short one. There is one coming up, or might be out if I post this. I am not sure about the teddy and the vest, and also how I made this. Not sure if I'm gonna include that in one video, or if I'm just gonna make separate videos about that. But it's gonna be like a tutorial about how to self-draft a vest, and in this case a teddy vest. I really hope it's going to work out, because I had already made a miscalculation while filming. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna try. So yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching, and if you have any tips on how to make the fabric a little more soft like the cotton, please let me know. Bye!